Do you remember how many times did you said, I agree, I totally agree? Many times, right? And it's a very common thing that we use to say. But today I'm going to tell you something interesting way to express yourself when you agree with somebody. And it's an idiom which is you can say that again. Yes, it's an idiom. You can say that again is an idiom that is used in a casual conversation. It means that you completely agree with what other person just said, and it's a complete sentence. So you can use it by itself after hearing something that you agree with. Or you can add some word for more context. For example, wow, you can say that again. Let's take another example. It seems like she is in a really good mood today. Yeah, you can say that again. Because she has been inviting everyone for the party tonight. Here, it means that I completely agree with the other person, whatever he is saying about. Wow, I think this expression can be used every day in my life. You can say that again.